Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TPC. By using a windmill, which energy is tapped to rotate wind turbine to drive generator? Your right answer is the kinetic energy of the moving wind. Option B. Which formula gives the refractive index of second medium with respect to the first? Your right answer is sin I by sin R. Option A. Who suggested the four main group of human blood in 1890? Your right answer is Karl Landsteiner. Option B. Where is India's first high-tech forensic lab which was recently inaugurated located? Your right answer is Delhi. Option C. Lactometer, which are used to determine the purity of sample of milk, work on which principle? Your right answer is Archimedes principle. Option B. Which of the following team played in the Bodyline cricket series in 1932 to 33? Your right answer is Australia and England. Option D. On the bank of which of the following river is Kanpur located? Your right answer is Ganga. Option C. What is the work done per unit time called? Your right answer is power. Option C. In the aluminothermic process, the role of aluminum is? Your right answer is reducing agent. Option A. The electrons present in the outermost shell are called? Your right answer is valence electron. Option B. Who was the first captain of Indian Test team? Your right answer is C.K. Naidu. Option C. Which of the following is used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic in nature? Your right answer is indicator. Option C. The stretching of a spring due to the force in a spring balance is measured by? Your right answer is a pointer moving on a graduated. Option B. Scale. The stretching of a spring due to the force in a spring balance is measured by? Your right answer is a pointer moving on a graduated scale. Option B. What is the value of Avogadro's constant? Your right answer is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Option A. What is the theme of World Earth Day 2019? Your right answer is protect our species. Option B. What type of reaction is electrolysis of water? Your right answer is decomposition reaction. Option C. Which of the following carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to heart? Your right answer is pulmonary vein. Option B. Which of the following is not a nitrogenous substance? Your right answer is glucose. Option A. World Environment Day 2019 will be hosted by? Your right answer is China. Option D. Carbon in all its allotropic form burn in oxygen to give? Your right answer is carbon dioxide. Option B. Kanishka was the emperor of Dash dynasty. Your right answer is Kushana. Option B. Which of the following is a characteristics of an ideal fuel? Your right answer is all of the option. Option D. Sound cannot travel without? Your right answer is medium. Option B. Elements which generally exhibit multiple oxidation state and whose ions are usually colored are? Your right answer is transition elements. Option B. Flame cell are found in? Your right answer is planaria. Option D. What sensory perception is attributed to the tongue? Your right answer is taste. Option A. Which of the following is added to water to prevent tooth decay? Your right answer is fluoride. Option A. How long does the Vice President of India hold the office? Your right answer is 5 years. Option D. Which of the following term does not represent electric power in a circuit? Your right answer is IR square. Option A. Which of these is not a part of the brain? Your right answer is vertebrae. Option D. Eutrophication of legs lead to? Your right answer is all of the option. Option A. The particle of solute in a true solution are smaller than dash in diameter. Your right answer is 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Option C. In which of the following city are the Ajanta caves situated? Your right answer is Aurangabad. Option B. Which of the following is India's first indigenously designated and built torpedo launch and recovery vessel? Your right answer is INS Astra Dharani. Option D. With which sports is the Subroto Cup associated? Your right answer is football. Option D. Which of the following bowler become the fastest India to claim 100 wicket in one day international? Your right answer is Mohammad Sami. Option D. To see object at surface of water from submarine, the tools used is called? Your right answer is periscope. Option C. Which law officer has the right to speak in both the House of the Parliament? Your right answer is Attorney General. Option D. Which vitamin is provided by sunlight? Your right answer is vitamin D. Option B. Which of the following ionic species exist in a neutralization reaction? Your right answer is H3O+. Option C. Which is brightest object in the night sky? Your right answer is moon. Option B. Which of the following color light has the least speed in glass prism? Your right answer is violet. Option A. Once in how many years is the Purna Kumbh Mela held? Your right answer is every 12 years. Option B. What is the value of universal gravitational constant capital G? Your right answer is 6.7 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Option A. Comma shaped bacteria are called? Your right answer is Vibrios. Option D. Which of the following is the tallest mammal? Your right answer is giraffe. Option A. Where is insulin produced in the human body? Your right answer is pancreas. Option C. EKS Cosmos 2510 is the first satellite having early warning system launched by? Your right answer is Russia. Option A. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get your success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day.